all of the connection pieces are innately built into the DNA of mankind. Therefore, Mastermind is basically a necessity for how important it needs to be in every part of our lives.
Why are masterminds so important?
I believe, to the center of my soul and to the ingrained DNA that I provide, that masterminds are truly and innately the process of accelerating achievements in life. And it doesn't have to be about success. It could be about service. It could be about overcoming challenges. It could be about triumphs. It could be about just about anything in this world. And I believe I will go to my grave. I say I will go to my grave defending what I call the Mastermind methodology, because I think that if it stemmed from the foundations of families, the foundations of governments and municipalities and education and corporations, if we understood this principle and utilized it within those organizations, we too would have an accelerated success achievements in all of those areas, and as a byproduct or as a consequence to all of those, the world would be a better place. We completely utilize and need Mastermind methodologies, and the reason why is because as humans, one of our greatest validators is connection. We need connection as humans. It's hard for humans to be solo. It's hard for them to be nomads and by themselves. They need some sort of connection, whether it's physical, emotional, spiritual, intellectual. All of the connection pieces are innately built into the DNA of mankind. Therefore, Mastermind is basically a necessity for how important it needs to be in every part of our lives.